Hi, Christine here, your beauty expert. So today I'm going to show you vacation makeup in 5 minutes. I first start with sunscreen. This is a sunscreen that's SPF 50 and it has such great qualities to it. It kind of lightens my skin, but it brightens at the same time. And then it also seals in my skincare. What I like about this is that it's total protection for my face. Make sure that you rub this all the way in, face, eyes, cheeks, your neck, your forehead. Go through the hairline, even get the ears. Next, we're going to do the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. And what I love about this bronzer, it's a nice neutral tone, and it actually helps with just giving me a bit of color. I contour my cheek area. I use the brush by KKW, and I just start at the contouring area of my cheeks, and then I just go ahead and blend everywhere else. If you notice, I skip foundation, and the reason why is I want to get my color out of my bronzer. This whole video is all about vacation skin, so always look like your skin just came back from vacation. So bronze up around the forehead, get along the nose, around the mouth area, and also add a little bronzer along the jawline and then underneath the chin, so the neck area as well. Just make sure it's all blended. Just add a little bit more to the neck so that way your face and your neck match each other and you've got a bronzy look going on. Next, I'm going to use the Bright Future Sephora Concealer. And I like this because I just have, it's a peach tone, and what it does is it actually goes in there and it just brightens up the inner part of my face. So I apply it on underneath my eye, along the side of my nose, the mouth area, and then I apply it on the other side. This helps brighten the center of my face, and it's not taken away from the bronzer that's in my skin. I'll add a little bit to the forehead since I have a blemish there to give a little coverage. Now I'm going to use the Prettyfast Cosmetic foundation brush. This is just to press in the product to let it set and give full coverage. If you need less coverage, go ahead and keep blending. I need a little bit more coverage, so I'm going to press it in and just let it set. This is basically in place of my foundation. So no foundation, goes straight to concealer. What I love is that my skin is glowing right now. I've got this glow to my skin, and it's perfect for when you're traveling and you have high humidity. It's really hot. So yeah, I'm fully protected still. And I've got the glow along my cheeks, the forehead. Looks good. Just keep blending. Next, I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match Concealer. What I love about this concealer is it actually helps with counteracting dark spots. So if you have pigmentation, melasma, dark spots, freckles, this is great because it counteracts that. And I just touch spot the areas where I need coverage. I use this along my mouth area, underneath the eye area, just to give a little brightening. And this is in the shade Peach. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of my bronzer to the crease of my eye. I have eyelash extensions on, so I really don't need any eyeliner or mascara, but I like putting a little bit of my bronzer just to add a little color to the crease of my eye, and then I touch spot certain areas that need a little bit more coverage or more contour in the face, in the cheek area. I'm using a blending brush, which is great. Now I'm using the Kiehl's lip treatment, and this is just applied over my sunscreen, and it helps with just moisture and bringing out the natural color of my lips. Now my skin is vacation skin ready, and I'm actually able to go out and get full protection with the SPF 50, and then I also have a nice glow with coverage and a bronzing look. Here's the products that I used and the Prettyfast cosmetic bag along with the other colors. And this is how I shot the video. You make do with what you have when you're at a hotel. And that's it for this video. I'm Christine, your beauty expert. Have a great day.